Bibili ka ba ng pagkain? Ha?
There's nothing you need to be ashamed of, kid.
Kahit nagbago yung itsura mo, hindi magbabago yung tingin namin sa'yo.
Sinasabi niyo lang yun para wag ako mahiya sa inyo. Kahit naman hindi kayo magsalita eh. Alam ko naman na naaawa lang kayo sa akin.
Hey, kid. Drew and I were really concerned about you and extremely worried. And I think it's best that you take a couple of days off from work, or as many days as you need, just to get the rest.
Sir, pinagpapahinga niyo po ba ako? Napalis niyo na po ako sa trabaho. Bakit, sir? Dahil mandidiri na sa akin yung mga turista. Yun po ba yung gusto niyong sabihin?
No, that's not what I meant, Igit. I just want you to get as much rest as you can.
Sir, sobra-sobra na po ako sa pahinga. Gusto ko na po kasi ulit magtrabaho. Kasi kapag wala po akong ginagawa, kung ano-ano po yung naiisip ko eh. At saka sir, ang dami ko pa pong mga pangakong hindi natutupad sa mga kadimoy ko po at saka dun sa tatay ko. Itutuloy ko pa rin po yung laban. Sabi nga po nila,
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
sir, ayoko po magmukmuk sa bahay. Maraming salamat po sa concern niyo, pero gusto ko po sana paglabas ko po dito sa ospital, gusto ko po sana makapagtrabaho ulit.
And there you have it, from a very good profit share for this project. Thank you so much. And that wraps up my presentation. Any questions?
Regarding the first quarter of FAR analysis, what reading are the gains so far company's finance?
Sorry. Pia. Oh, I can't talk right now. I'm in a meeting.
Hello, everyone. Can I have your attention, please?
Hello, boss.
Hi. I want to introduce you to the real deal. This woman is behind the new boutique resort, which is making so many waves in coastal tourism. And she is a primary investor in a luxury ecotourism brand that is preserving nature. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you our new investor, Soraya Sharma. Madam Soraya Sharma.
Just a few seconds and I can tell I am going to be thrilled to be with you all.
You know, I would have loved for you to meet my wife, Soraya, but she's in Paris right now.
Paris? Oh, well, I'm sure she's having the time of her life.
I hope so.
So, what is this event you wanted to discuss?
Well, as I was telling your father earlier, I'm totally aware that the reputation of Paradise Resort isn't what it should be. So I was thinking Perhaps we could come up with an event to boost customer confidence.
And what is that exactly?
Well, why don't we hold a masquerade ball? Isang event na sigurado kung mag-e-enjoy ang ating VIP clients and even our investors.
Interesting.
And just like any event, it needs a centerpiece, a face. What about your #1 tour guide? What's her name? Marikit.
I don't think that's a good idea, Dad.
Why not? I've watched her vlogs, and she's gaining viewers. I mean, it'd be such a plus for the guests in this resort to be graced with her beauty, wit, and charm.
Yes, it's true. Ikit is our best tour guide, but she's going through a lot right now. It's not the best time.
Oh, well, that is a shame because that would be such a boost to investor confidence.
I'm sorry, madam, but it's just...
I think it's a great idea. In fact, it's brilliant. Soraya, I'm sure we could get that done.
Okay, everyone. Lapit na po tayong lahat dito. Ngayon po ay pupunta po tayo sa Masungi Geo Reserve. Kaya naman po, i-reserve nyo na po ang mga selfie post nyo para po maghanda-handa na po kayong lahat, ha? Yung mga memory... Ay! Bakit ka naman?
Mommy! What happened, baby? My monster! It's alright, baby. Mommy is here.
Pasensya na po Sorry po.
Kit,
Excuse me? Taga-resort po ba kayo?
bakit po?
Pwede bang pakilipat mo na lang kami ng ibang tour guide? Natatakot po kasi anak ko sa kanya.
Sir, ako po aatin ng masquerade ball.
You heard it right, Marikit.
Be, baka kung ano na naman mangyari sa'yo, Di ba pinaya ka dun sa party ng anak ni Miss May?
Balita ko, namimiss mo na raw ang pamilya mo. May solusyon ako dyan.
Tangga, Matthew, huwag mo sasaktan ng pamilya ko. Parang awa mo na, wag gusto mo sila.
Excuse me lang po. Sino po ba kayo?
Soraya Sharma, latest investor and business partner ni William.